Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. Crypto T over here. I hope you're doing great. Before we dive in, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. I really do appreciate it. I believe Kaspa is set to hit 50 cents in the coming months, and I will tell you why I think that in this video. Before we dive in, let's check out CoinMarketCap. Fear and Greed Index is in the fear zone, almost in the extreme fear zone. So historically, this is a good time to buy and not a good time to sell. So think of that before you sell something. Kaspa is still holding pretty strong, currently at spot 22, same as yesterday, at a price level of 14.7 cents. So Kaspa is up, holding up relatively good. That is mainly because Bitcoin is dropping, but the Bitcoin dominance is dropping as well. So altcoins are doing relatively good yesterday because Bitcoin has a pretty big drop. The positive side of Bitcoin is that we tested the lower trend line of this downward price channel, and we actually bounced up from it. So that is a positive bullish sign. And now we're trading around 54K somewhere. And the big question is, are we going to hold this as a support? And we're going to trade up with the goal to retest the upper trend line of this channel. And in the most bullish case, we're going to break it and we make a higher high than this level. And we're up to the races in a good way. Or we're going to retest again this lower trend line. That is a possibility, and we could see another bounce then, or we could see a break to the downside. If that is going to happen, I still think 50 to 52K is a big possibility of a really, really strong support, and I'm expecting that it will hold. Of course, there are lower zones that are realistic, but for now, this is a really strong support zone. But right now, we're still holding this level. So pretty bullish that we saw this wick to the downside almost get butt up to 54K. So that is a good sign. But we are not out of the woods yet, guys. That is an important thing to remember. So if we take a look at Kaspa, Kaspa did something like the same as Bitcoin. We tested the lower trend of this support zone. We are holding this support level, so that is a really good sign. But also we are not out of the woods yet over here. We can retest this lower line of this support zone, and we actually can break it to the downside and see more downward price action. But if Bitcoin is holding, I think this is actually the bottom for Kaspa, and we will trade to the upside. If you take a look at the power law for Kaspa, and then mainly the adaptive power law, I can show it over here, but I will show it into my Discord to the members. You actually can see that the next run up for Kaspa, it's pretty realistic that Kaspa is going to hit 50 cents. This will not be in the coming weeks, but morely in the coming months. So Q4, maybe the beginning of Q1, and you will actually see that it's pretty realistic that we can see 50 cents for Kaspa. Also, we have the fundamentals for Kaspa to back a price up of 50 cents. I mean, we have a big hash rate. What's really bullish? We have, for example, the Kaspa Industrial Initiative, pretty bullish. We have the Crescendo hard fork roadmap to 10 BPS. We have smart contracts coming in 2025. We have the KRC20 relaunch this month, I believe. So we have a lot of bullish fundamental things for Kaspa to back a price up of 50 cents, but also in the sense of the power law. And the power law isn't just a TA metric. No, it's math. And the adaptive power law indicator isn't an indicator itself, but it's more it is an indicator, but it's based on the power law itself, on the data itself. So it's pretty accurate right now. So it's pretty amazing, actually. So that's why I think 50 cents is pretty realistic in the coming months for Kaspa. Personally, I'm going to trade a part of my Kaspa bag to increase my Kaspa bag. And I know a lot of YouTubers say, don't swing trade it, but I'm actually going to do it. Why? Because I use the power law metrics and the data for that. And I think it's pretty safe to do that. And I'm not doing it based on purely TA and support and resistance zones. And also, if it fails, I still have a lot of Kaspa in my bag, so no worries, guys. So that is pretty interesting, and I truly believe that we're going to see 50 cents relatively soon. So hold on your Kaspa bag, buy more, don't be afraid, and just hodl. Guys, I wish you all a really good weekend. If you have any questions, just hit me up in the comments. If you're interested into my private Discord, please, you can find the link down below in the comment sections, and I will see you inside. Wish you a wonderful day, and we are talking soon. Crypto T out.